Geeks for Geeks School presents School Ambassador Program. This program is the voice of students in action, where actions mold the present into future we all can be proud of. Let's hear it their way.
Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. My name is Krish Jaiswal and I am from West Bengal, India, from MC Jaiswal Vidyapeeth. I am a self-taught Java programmer, a Java application developer, and a JavaScript game developer with 3 years of experience in developing applications using Java. Currently, I am learning data structures and algorithms in Geeks for Geeks, as well as I am learning web development using servlets and JSP in Java. Currently, I'm also working on some projects of library management and airplane management systems using JDBC and Swing GUI concepts. Well, my future ambition is to reform the structure of coding taught in schools by inspiring both teachers and students by my work. So, I will catch you then very soon in the next video. Till then, happy coding. Thank you.